All right. As I start this segment, they do like this, they do like this, they do like this, they do like this. Now, so I don't people they want to say, hey, wait till they share, wait till they go on. This now viral trend. This thing happen. I hit social media. People come the shock say, wait till be this. Because come like say Nigeria, we get the habit of creating dance styles every year. Let's say every year, again, you know, every new dance style from all the Galala, Konto, Swore, all that one, they come back to back. Now this one, they talk say anybody if you do this one, big man, poor man, middle class, now waiting, you dey point, you dey focus. Some people they talk say you go focus on your future. Some people say you focus on things wey don't happen. Well, as it be so, as the whole matter takes scatter, it take bust, I dey here with the producer of that very, very better sound we hear. We go make you say, even if you dey cook, you dey hear and you think, but if you go put too much salt, too much pepper for inside your food, wahala go dey. The one and only Ajimovoix dey inside studio with me, and na the man wey cause this problem wey Nigeria dey face so. Bros, how far? It's okay. Now problem you cause. Because person fit just dey road now, they do like this. They say, shey you dey okay. Abi wetin happen? Wetin dey shele? But how you dey, my brother? How it is for you?
I just still, I thank God.
You thank God. Okay, me make we first start first from because people go like know who your real name, because they know say okay, Ajimovoix now your brand name. What you want to put your real name? Make them know you.
My name na Oguntade Adewale Damola.
Okay.
Popularly known as Ajimovoix Drums, aka the Focus Beat Originator.
The Focus Beat Originator. So in case una dey find, because myself I been dey ask one time, say who make this beat where everybody dey dance on top? Now I come here say na you, na you carry the matter come as the hot. So make we even know as the matter take start for you. You know say you talk say be producer, you music producer. And so far so good. We know say we get plenty producers from Nigeria where they try to put their things out there. How long you don't they produce, and which kind style you they produce before this one? I'm sure the first one we take start with be this. How it be for you?
I don't they produce for a long while, and I get couple of songs. I get couple of hit songs. If I tell you say I make and I know go believe.
Tell us, make them the ones that you don't do, where you know say casual. Make people no go talk say it just come from nowhere, just blew. You know as we they talk for Nigeria.
Yeah, so so I don't start officially. Let me just say I don't start music production like a period of 8 years. But I will say I start them officially a period of 4 to 5 years officially as a producer.
As a producer.
Because I used to be an artist and a producer at the same time.
Okay.
Then so it was not easy though. Focus Beat was just big. I was not expecting it to be like that though. And so normally, you know, as they be now church, everybody they start this matter. But the brain behind my inspiration to music production, now my parents.
Okay.
Now my parents.
Okay.
Because for my mother's side, my mom in her family used to be a singer. She sabi sing. All this Elijah vocal. I be this white garment guy, Gudu and Seraphu boy. And so she get this Gudu, Seraphu, Elijah vibe for mine. So for my papa's side, in junior brothers be singers, and only my papa know they sing.
Okay.
So in junior brothers, in papa be singer too.
Okay.
So singing or making beats, and my father is a good drummer as well.
Okay.
So singing or making beats is not a new thing in my family.
They your family.
They that body, but nobody they carry go extra mile. So anytime where I think I just that thing just flashed to my head. Say I just make my family. Let me say my family proud. At least I can bring the family name up with something like. Somebody must know my family name with something. At least somebody if you know say if this any brother, you just say my brother is Don Jazzy. Remember Don Jazzy? They just refer my family to somebody too. So I can be that person.
True.
So my mama be this kind of person. Be say she like to see me drum. She like seeing people drumming. So now my mama push me go that corner.
That corner.
Say this thing. I like you to play that drum where they play. I know Sabi play the drum, but since I they go there. And our pastor, you know, as our Kerubu and Seraph people be, once the major drummer no come,
you do am. Since you don't they look and since.
What thing they do? My friend enter there, go do what you go do. Sharp. So I go just enter, just do the baka. In a short while, I started developing joy for that thing. So most of they pray say make that lift person
no come. So you go take
over.
I
just do my mind. So my mind go just dey. So now from there, the thing not too come serious, but I not to go deep far. But as I be play the drum, I can't sing. So as I come to sing, studio money plenty. Oh, that year, that 10,000.
Now you go say,
know,
make
say,
you go learn this production.
10,000. Every day I go to pay 10,000 for production. How many songs I will come do before I go blow? I say this production thing enter my eye. But I not to come take them serious. In the beginning, I take them for personal use.
Just they do them for yourself.
For myself.
They create beats for yourself.
Create them for myself. I see that thing along the line. Some of my friends come, but I'm sorry, Shelley, let me do this on sharp. I can't do them. This thing can't they bring money? This thing not be way like this.
Abi?
I not to can't take them serious because I see they see money collect from my mama.
Yeah.
See they see money steal from my papa pocket. See they collect money from my sisters. All those things. But immediately my mama die. Everything change you. I guess just face because that's the only way. Now the only way we I get where I feel take.
Now it make you focus.
Focus on top. Yes, so see. Now the only way we have to take make my parents and my mama to be precise. Now the only way we have to take make them proud because she really want me to be. If I'm not a music producer, a singer, I should be a farmer. I know everything about fish reserve. Fish farming from beginning, from hatchery to table size. I know everything.
I don't hear.
She don't push me go that corner. She push me enter that place. So if I not done, the only thing we say, if truly there people they see people where they are alive as Yoruba people and they talk them. I know say by now she go done the day proud of me that my son be that. Yes.
And I don't hear the full gist as the matter takes start. Not be just it just come out from somewhere, out of nowhere, because Nigerians like to talk that thing. So Ajimovoix is on day here with us, and Naim, the original producer of that focus beat where you hear. So Ajimovoix, as the matter be now, people they use focus voice the beat everywhere. They use and they do video, but some of them they even know where the beats they come from. People know they give you enough credit from as the matter they be. How you they feel? Say, okay, you feel just because they watch some of the videos now, they talk say, when this one do this one, how this person do this one. Yeah, so how you they feel about being the originator of these beats and seeing say people know they give you enough credit to them. Shey now why you decide to come out now to let people know say, hey na me do am make una see me because I guess they chop for this thing, this handwork where I don't put. How you take see am? How you take see
in the beginning of the beat, I don't know say the beat don't even the trend from start.
Okay.
But me as a person, I believe say the beat go trend.
Okay.
Because of the compliments where I don't collect on top the beat when I first broadcast them.
Okay.
So seeing people using the beat, it really gives me joy.
Okay.
I dey happy about them. So the fact that some don't even know saying I me do them. So, but with the help of platform like this, at least people are getting to know. And at first it was not like this. Nobody knew before. But it was a gradual process. Telling the world, Baba, na me do this beat too. Seriously, where be your proof?
Yes,
like people like today now coming to my page like this beat who do am? You trust say now you do am? Waiting be your number. Give me your number. Make I confirm. You put am for store, Baba dey. Na me do am for store. Now you sure? But now another thing they see for internet, Baba, na me do everything about the beat. I get file, I get data.
You get information.
I get everything. That particular thing where I take play that data, nobody will know am. Now my personal trick.
Now you create
now my mouth I take do am. So it's get personal trick where they take do. Once I don't use my mouth, I go just trick am, put am there. So I believe say nobody fit get that. If you use am, it be like that. The difference go dey.
Yes.
So, but I thank God, like now people are getting to know. Say, now the guy be that. Now Ajimovoix do the beat. Now him be that. Now the guy be that. At least we are seeing.
It makes sense. It makes sense. It's good say Nigerians now don't they know you. Say now you make these beats and you don't talk say you don't make some other beats where if you tell us people say go shock. I say yeah, that's why they be. Producers sometimes they know they day limelight like that to make people take say okay that's why they be. But some producers can't they blame artists to join. Say as artists where you be, I do beats for you where make sense. At least for your song or something. Hail me say na Ajimovoix make the beat or something like that. You feel say that one day necessary from the part of the artist to always do, or you feel say if you do am you like, if you no do am your own it go still shine for you. How you take to see that one?
From that perspective, I've learned my lessons, and most of my songs where they do now. Some of my songs now where they do, I don't really they put my tag on top.
Okay.
I dey tell the artist, call my
Make
name.
you call your name.
Call my name with your mouth by yourself from the intro.
Okay.
Now Ajimovoix do this beat. So as people they sing along with the beat, now Ajimovoix do this beat. They go come realize later say now Ajimovoix do this beat. As long as they no now so it be for focus beat. People go first they dance, they carry the way with the beat. But later because Ajimovoix on the wait now Ajimovoix do the beat. Later I know say you go reach one stage, you go enjoy something, reach one stage, you go say, wait, who cook this food?
Who cook this food?
Wait, who bring this wine? Which wine? Who do am?
Yes.
If you know the
yes.
So I believe say it don't reach that level. So instead of me putting that tag, maybe say some people no go feel hear, no go hear am too well because of this our
extra
digital.
sound effect
But once you don't call am by yourself, they go sing them along with the beat.
They
go sing them along with the song.
join.
As you dey sing the song, once you are knowing the song, you are knowing the beat. I swear.
I don't hear that.
So I don't learn my lesson.
You don't learn that lesson.
I don't learn that lesson.
You don't learn the tactics.
Even if na whiskey do am, once you know they buy the full royalty for my hand, Baba, you go call my name with your mouth. Baba, you go call am. If na beg, I go beg am. Baba, you go call am. If make it be Burna Boy, make it be Jesus, I go beg am. Baba, I know they put tago. Now your
mouth you use to talk am for
because that thing they really help producers without even telling people I made the beat. I was say, Burna Boy, call his name now. That's it. That's just the trick.
Well, when I don't hear him, the man himself, we put this better beats for us, for Nigerians, make we enjoy this season. Trust me, it makes sense. If you open social media, even for outside country, not only Nigeria, they do different parts of Africa, Europe, people, they do the focus, they go. And it's good. I said that kind of inspiration enter your mind to put this thing out there. And as you talk, now family backing where you get, now I don't carry you reach this level of this entertainment industry where you did. So this, before you leave us, I just ask whether this production business where they do now, if they pay, if they make money, honestly, if they pay. This one we no answer like this.
Production they pay.
If they pay,
if they do production, focus on top. I'm going. Production they pay. If you don't collect the money as you expect, Baba. Production go just the.
You go just the enter. Small things go the enter.
Just the enter. Once you get better artists, we sabi, we get better song, and you pray make most of your song be hit, and you dey on split sheet, you dey on percentage with the artist. Once the song is big, brother, you don't get money already.
When I don't hear them. Okay. Ajimovoix now join us this morning to talk about the better music we don't put out there. The focus beats where we see people, they do different things on top. Myself, I go do my own focus very soon. So make I just go check them out on top my social media. I go do them because for me to sit down with the man, we run the thing, go. I'm motivated, I'm gingered. Ajimovoix, it's good say you don't spend this time with us this morning. Say we hope to see more stuff from you coming up very soon. More music, more sound, more beats. How it go be? Say what we go expect from you coming
If not for management on publicity issues,
yes.
If I don't drop like 3 songs like
okay.
3 don't dey store already.
They don't dey ready.
They store already. We will not just put date, say drop them for us this day. They store already.
Good stuff. So if people want to follow you on top social media, what's be your social media handle? Instagram them. Make it just drop them for them.
At Ajimovoix_drums. That voice is VOIX.
Okay.
Or simply just type Focus Dance Beat Originator.
Focus Dance Beat Originator. You go see him right there now at Ajimovoix_drums. Now you go check out the information. Well, I believe so now they enjoy the focus beat. I they see him. I just talk say make driver where they drive people for bus. No go they do focus, leave steering. Wahala go there. Thank you very much, Ajimovoix, for joining us this morning. Normal things we go to expect more from you as usual. Your fans them, self, they go enjoy you as they go.